This is one question of Bitsat 2018 PYQ of physics. So it says that given P is equals to this vector and Q is equals to this vector, the magnitude of their resultant. So it is just asking the resultant of its magnitude. So let's say that the resultant will always equal to the resultant vector will always equal to P plus Q, which is equal to 2I plus minus 3j plus j minus 2j plus 4k minus 2k plus 2k, and it's saying the magnitude of resultant. So the magnitude of resultant will be equal to underscore 2 square 4 minus 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4, which is equals to underscore 12, which is equals to 2 under root 3, which is option number B. This is another question of 2018 Bitsat PYQ. So it states that at a place if Earth's horizontal and vertical component of magnetic field are equal, then the angle of dip will be. So we know that the division of horizontal and vertical component of magnetic field is, it states that the tan dip angle, let's say dip angle is delta, is equals to vertical magnetic field upon horizontal magnetic field. As it states that both of them are equal, therefore tan delta is equals to 1. Therefore delta will be equal to 45 degree. Hence C option is correct. Let's move on to the next question. This is another question which states that if C, the velocity of light, G, the acceleration due to gravity, and P, the atmospheric pressure, D, the fundamental quantities in MKS system, then the dimension of length will be same as that of. So it's a question of simple dimension analysis. So let's start this question. So we will do it by option checking. See, the option A is C by G, which is equals to L T minus 1, which is the dimension of speed, and for G it will be L T minus 2, which is the dimension of acceleration, which is equals to somewhat around P, which is not the correct option for the required answer. Let's go for second, C upon P, which is equals to LT minus 1. Pressure we can write as force upon area, which is MLT minus 2 into L square. So L, this is something M minus 1 L square T, which is also not equals to L. We have to basically find a quantity which dimension is just L. So we are going to check C, which is PCG, which is MLT minus 2 by L square into LT minus 1 into LT minus 2. So we can clearly see that it is also not going to be equal to L. It will be something which is not equal to L. Then we move forward to option number D, which is C square upon G. This will be the correct option. LT minus 1 whole square by LT minus 2. So this is equals to L square T minus 2 upon LT minus 2. So this will be equal to L. Therefore the correct option of this question will be D option, which is C square by G. Let's move on to the next question. So let's see this question. In this question, we see that it says that in the following PV diagram, an ideal gas, two adiabatic cuts, two isotherms at T1 is equal to 300K and T2 is equal to 200K, and we can see here that AB is at T1 and DC as T2. So this line and this line is an isotherm, and AD and BC are the adiabatic cups. And then we know the values of all the volumes, and we have to find VD. So let's do it. First of all, make the graph here perfectly. Something like this. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. We know A is equals to 2 units, VB is equal to 8 units, VC is equals to 16 units. We have to find VD. Let's say VD is equals to X. We know that this is at an isotherm. AB is an isotherm and AD is an adiabatic. So the value of VD will be. So we can simply apply here that we know that PV upon gamma is equals to constant. So we can replace P with V upon P. We can replace it with P upon V into V upon gamma. V upon gamma is equals to K, which is equals to T V gamma minus 1 is equals to constant. And we can apply it for AD and BC. So we know that at the temperature at A, for first of all we write it for let's say AD. For AD it will be temperature at A is 300 and V is 2 gamma minus 1. Temperature at D is 200 and volume is X gamma minus 1. So from here it will be 2 gamma minus 1 is equals to 2x gamma minus 1. To find the value of this gamma, we will write an equation for BC also. For BC it will be 300. At B the volume is 8 gamma minus 1 is equals to 216 gamma minus 1. So this will be equals to 3 by 2 is equals to 16 by 8 gamma minus 1. So this will be an equation. From here it will be around 2 gamma minus 1, and when we add it, 3 is equals to 2 gamma. This will be an equation. So now we know that 3 is equals to 2 gamma. So now what we can do is we can replace the 3 from here with 2 into gamma, and then we will find the X. So it will be 2 gamma into 2 gamma minus 1 is equals to 2x gamma minus 1. We just replaced the 3 with 2 gamma, 2 to the power gamma. So from this relation, we reach here. And now we will do a simple mathematics, which is 2 gamma minus 1 is equals to 2x gamma minus 1. So we can say that from here, we can say that 2 gamma minus 1 into 2 is equals to x gamma minus 1. So if we relate all of it, we can say 4 gamma minus 1 is equals to x gamma minus 1. Therefore, 4 is equals to x. Let's see if it matches with any of the... So here it is a. So the answer of this question is a 4 units. I hope you have understood this question. We will do all the upcoming questions of Bitsat.